guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here. As you can tell by the title, I am trying out for the James Charles casting call. So I am a little bit nervous. I'm also totally excited. As most of y'all know, I just started my channel in February of this year. This video is supposed to be 5 minutes, so I'm going to talk and do. I'm going to prime my face with the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. This is a new favorite that I just found and am loving. So in this video, I'm supposed to talk to y'all about who I am, what I am, and basically what the beauty community means to me. My name is Rebecca. I go by Becca. I just turned 42 years old in September of 2019, and I am from a small town in Flippin, Arkansas. And I do mean Flippin, Arkansas. Look it up. My story, I have raised 2 children. I am married. After the kids grew up, I didn't know what to do with myself and turned to YouTube and started in the makeup world. As you can see, I have totally come a long way since then. I am using the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation. James, I totally hope I get the right shade. Okay, so I think I got a perfect match for my foundation. Continue with my story. James Charles was one of the first people that I watched. It was somebody that my daughter watched. I will be using the Soft Glam palette for my eye look today. I do have the James Charles palette. I bought this twice. I bought it last year when it launched for my daughter. We put it under the Christmas tree and the dogs ate it. So I had to wait and get her another one. I'm going to bronze with the Cherry Bomb face palette by Juno & Co. I really like this palette. It is very pretty. Very subtle. Just a plug for right here. There will be a video on this company. I do think that I have a lot to bring to the beauty community. I was not a very makeup oriented female. I didn't wear makeup a lot growing up. What this means to me. I did 21 years as a health aide. I raised 2 children by myself and got married. I just celebrated my 2nd year anniversary. I am the oldest of 4 children and the only girl. I came to Arkansas to be with my parents. My dad is not in the best of health, and being the oldest, it is my job to be here for them in any way I can. This opportunity would be a great opportunity for me to get more knowledge about the beauty community. When I started my channel, I was just a normal consumer, just like everybody else. There's a lot of fakeness, a lot of backstabbing, and a lot of negativity. I think I'm a very positive person and would like to have the opportunity to show that. Okay guys, so this is my look. Like I said, I am an older woman. Not so old that I'm dead. I do have texture. I do have experience. Somewhere in there, I'm sure I have wisdom. I hope I can count on you for your vote or support in this dream of mine. And I hope it becomes a reality. Thank you for this Get Ready With Me on our way to LA. Buddy, don't we need your makeup done? Do you need your makeup done? Oh, she ate my brush. Isn't that pretty? You need a contour. All right.